Hello, everyone. It is Suzanne Hart here, and this week's habit is lifelong learning. This is the act of acquiring knowledge. It is to make your best better. Napoleon Hill says that knowledge is not power. It is when we put knowledge into action in a systematic way that it becomes powerful. And I think the key thing here is a systematic way. So I want to talk to you about those 10,000 hours and what that truly means. Because we have people who put in their 10,000 hours. In other words, they've been in their profession for maybe 10 years. They've been putting in the hours, but the challenge is they haven't committed to growth. So they're doing 10,000 hours of the exact same thing, and they're not becoming more. They're not expanding. They actually haven't taken on lifelong learning. And then you'll have another person who will put in the 10,000 hours, but they do it differently. They actually are committed to learning as they're putting in those 10,000 hours. So they will do an action in a systematic way, analyze it, find out where they need to learn, grow, or become more, go acquire new knowledge that expands them and has them grow. So they're not doing their 10,000 hours being and doing the same thing. They're doing their 10,000 hours in a way that allows them to transform. The difference is deliberate practice. When they practice, they're intentional. When they practice, they're deliberate. When they practice, they do it in a systematic way that allows them to analyze their behavior, find the place where they may need to improve, and actually course correct and continue going. This is also why some people achieve goals and some people don't, because in the process, they're committed to learning. So I can actually set out a plan, go in, get into action, and not actually stop to analyze my progress and course correct. And yes, I'm in action, but I'm actually busy, not necessarily productive. Then you can have the person who's put in place a plan, and at the end of every 30 days, they're analyzing, they're checking their progress, they're looking for things that might need to change and be done differently. They're growing and they're moving towards their goals because they're looking at what's working and what's not. You see, lifelong learning is the continuous commitment to growing. It's the continuous commitment to transformation. It's a continuous commitment to making your best better. And that's the difference between the real 10,000 hours and just being in the same position for 10 years. That's our lesson or our habit for today. I trust you are going to have a great week, and I will see you back here next week. Take care and blessings.